Good morning, students. Let us discuss about interchanges in states of matter. Matter can change its state. As we all know, water can exist in three states of matter, that is solid as ice, liquid as the familiar water, and gas as water vapor. There is one more process, sublimation, in which solid directly changes into vapors on heating and vapors into solid on cooling. Example, ammonium chloride, camphor and iodine. Effect of change in temperature. When we heat a solid, means when we increase the temperature, the constituent particles vibrate and get kinetic energy. Then this increased kinetic energy helps these particles to move apart from each other. So, solid gets converted into liquid. Melting point of ice is 273.16 Kelvin and the process of melting is change of solid state to liquid state. This is called fusion. Means when solid state changes to liquid state, this process of melting is called fusion. Effect of change of pressure. Yes, pressure also affects state of matter. Like if we apply more pressure and reduce temperature, it can liquefy gases like solid carbon dioxide, which is stored under high pressure. Solid carbon dioxide gets converted directly to gaseous state on decrease of pressure to 1 atmosphere without coming into liquid state. It means in this two states are involved, solid and gaseous. Liquid state is missing. This is the reason that solid carbon dioxide is also known as dry ice. Latent heat. The hidden heat which breaks the force of attraction between the molecules during change of state. Latent heat means hidden heat. ऐसी heat जो छिपी हुई है. जब solid से liquid में convert हो रहा है matter, तो जो solid के particles हैं वो अपने force of attraction को जिस energy के through overcome कर रहे हैं, जिस हिडन हीट के थ्रू वो अपने फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन को ओवरकम करके लिक्विड स्टेट में कन्वर्ट. नाउ देयर इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन फ्यूजन एंड वेपोराइजेशन. व्हाट इज फ्यूजन? हीट एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड टू चेंज 1 kilogram of solid into liquid. 1 kilogram of solid into liquid. Vaporization, heat energy required to change 1 kilogram of liquid to gas at atmospheric pressure at its boiling point. Means 1 kilogram of liquid को गैस में उसके atmospheric pressure पे उसके boiling point पे change कर देना. Thus we can say that pressure and temperature determine the state of substance, whether it will be a solid, liquid or gas. Now we will see all these activities through a video.
Around us exists in the solid, liquid.
Now, there is difference between fusion and vaporization. What is fusion? Heat energy required to change 1 kilogram of solid into liquid. 1 kilogram of solid into liquid. Vaporization, heat energy required to change 1 kilogram of liquid to gas at atmospheric pressure at its boiling point. Means 1 kilogram of liquid को गैस में उसके atmospheric pressure पे उसके बॉइलिंग पॉइंट पे चेंज कर देना. Thus, we can say that pressure and temperature determine the state of substance, whether it will be a solid, liquid, or gas. Now, we will see all these activities through a video.
Of matter. Matter around us exists in the solid, liquid, and gaseous state. The state of matter changes from solid to liquid, liquid to gas, or a combination of these. A solid changes its state to liquid by melting. Upon heating solids, the space between the particles increases and the particles move freely to form liquid. When a piece of butter is placed on a frying pan and heated, the piece of butter slowly loses its shape and changes to liquid. Similarly, a liquid changes its state to solid by solidification. Upon freezing liquids, the space between the particles decrease and they solidify. When some water is poured in an ice tray and kept in the freezer, the water solidifies and becomes ice. A liquid changes its state to gaseous form through vaporization. The space between particles increases when heated, thereby forming gas. When water is heated, vapor arises from its surface and so water in a liquid state is converted to a gaseous state. The gas formed can be converted back to liquid. Now, close the beaker with a lid and continue heating. After some time, you will observe droplets of water accumulated on the surface of the lid. Such a process is called condensation. During condensation, vaporized particles are accumulated and form liquid. We have already learned melting, solidification, vaporization, and condensation. Now, can a solid be directly converted to gas and vice versa? When dry ice is kept at minus 78.5 degrees Celsius at 1 atmospheric pressure, dry ice is converted to gas. This process is called sublimation.